For months, I've sounded the alarm on Chivayo. We intercepted messages and videos showing $1.2 million in cash, bribe money, meant for Parliament and Minister Mchunguri with his brother Joachim. Review. They plan to remove all war veterans from the army and CIO once Camp 3 passes. Zanabda mashwaruda pangwa ino achisekuletwa nedhisiyendo yakanzi President and 2030 zvikora zvakananda ari kuonekwa kunzi panguva ino pane maplans aiwa makukutu. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon and post this SMS messages amuri kuona kanzi G6 plasma D. I want you to come and collect 1.6 million for distribution. When? Tomorrow please. Quote takawapa mari 5 million. That's great. Mukoma, we want a position in government this year. Yes, army generals will say next year every war vet must be re-signed from army. Toisa mafana vese kiki Chiwenga sanyatwe nema generals pinyanadziya. Yes bro, you must eat nyika ndiyedu ini tikutoda mines ministry. I have plenty guys who want to come. Nothing is impossible. I'm in charge of Zimbabwe. Yes, God is on our side bro. Our plan next year is to remove every war veteran in police, army, CIO and in every institution. Twesa vedu especially CIO. Yes, toda kuibvisa. Twesa vedu tsvaga 5k you trusted tise mu-CIO. But verification will be done. Atidi akamboshanda CIO during Mugabe's time. Okay bro, nothing is impossible. And all these messages amuri kuona panguva ino ari kusekuleta panguva ino ichitenderedzwa nedhisiyendo yechikora zvigananda ichiexposa maplans ari kuitiwa awa nezvigananda pamuri kuona kuti they are planning to attack Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga, anasanyatu nemagenerals ese, war veterans, CIOs. Maplans are going to they want to capture all the institutions of the state. Nakomesa section videos of any mutu dipa msuru pechitwechi. Don't subscribe or like, chiro don't bell icon.